Want a notification-free experience? Here's how to mute everything on Threads within a few minutes. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn off all notifications from Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Threads app icon on your device to open the app. Make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you directly to your profile page. In your profile view, look for the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this to open the menu. In the menu, find and tap on the notification option. This is where you can manage all the notification settings for the Threads app. In the notification menu, you will see a master toggle to turn off all the notifications. Simply toggle the main switch to off. A menu will appear with the time limits. Select according to your preference. Once you have turned off all the notifications, you won't receive any alerts from Threads until you turn them back on. Now enjoy a distraction-free experience. So this is how to turn off all the notifications from Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.